Welcome, y'all. First off, I want to give a shout out to some of my recent visitors, I should say, on my channel. Because I don't know if they subscribers just yet. They just maybe stumble upon my videos and then maybe go back in history to find out who was that channel or that guy that I came across. I'm guessing anyway, but I just want to give a shout out to a few people. I can't do everybody. So if I forget you and I don't name you, it's only because I'm just doing what recent activity, I should say, because I've seen some new activities, some new visitors, some inquiries about Sorbo Ultra 45. Yes, Ultra 45, man. I like that channel, man. That's super light. But I'm not going to beat around the bush. I'm just talking to you because I got to get up at 5:30 in the morning. And I got a special video tomorrow. I got a vlog, actually, to show you my day for tomorrow. I'm going to have my worker with me tomorrow, but I got to go into Philadelphia. And one account owes me $400. So if y'all didn't know, I actually have a short movie out. It's like a documentary on the life of a window cleaner. And I'm still putting it together, but I'm not finished yet. But there is some parts. It's in the playlist. If you're interested, you can go by and check it out. But this probably tomorrow will be in part of the movie. I'm not sure yet, but I'm still sifting through footage for this documentary movie that I'm making. And, if you're interested, I welcome all others to, get involved if they're interested. I have some other ideas that I want to work on. But anyway, without further ado or delay, I'm actually drinking ghetto beer right now. It's called Earthquake. It's 10%. This is ghetto beer at its best. But anyway, so tomorrow I have to get up at 5 o'clock because I got to wash my tushy and go and pick up my worker. I got to do a few diners in the morning. And I have some special tools that I'll be using. Some of you have seen these tools already. And, I like getting new toys. I love it, man, because I love trying new stuff, man. This is how we grow. This is how we learn what works for us and what doesn't work for us. And, I'm really, really involved in what I do. So if something breaks my flow, even if it's new, I like to share that because people need to know. They just need to know. And I'm not going to tell you nothing that I wouldn't want to hear from myself, basically. So if I'm doing something good, I want to share that. I'm not going to tell you something other than that. In other words, I'm not going to tell you nothing that's going to mess you up or slow you down. I'm speaking from experience. But yeah, man, tomorrow I'll be doing that vlog and you guys could chime in. But anyways, I just want to give a shout out to a few people. If you made it this far, you're doing good, because I know I ramble on. But anyway, man, shoot. Y'all can miss a whole lot by doing that. I mentioned that before. But anyways, David P. I want to give a shout out to my man David P. If you're not a subscriber, hit that bell, man, because you're going to miss out on. Matter of fact, David P., I got a contest coming up, man. You've been pretty interested in what I've been sharing lately on my channel. So, you know, some of the things that I got coming up will probably interest you as well. And you got to be active, man, to take advantage of that, man, because if you snooze, you lose. You know, I don't care either way, but, you know, what I do and what I share is only to help people, man. And if you don't need any help, that's different, you know. But what I do, these contests, whatever the case may be, is to help somebody, you know. So I guess most people are just good because they don't take advantage of it, or just maybe they just too hard, or maybe they just lazy. I don't know. Or maybe they just too busy in their lives. But the next person I want to give a big ups to is brother Incognito. That's a hell of a channel name, but I don't know why you chose that. But yeah, man, brother Incognito, man. Yeah, if you're not a subscriber, subscribe and hit that bell so you can get notified if you want to win some stuff. Because, man, I got a whole bunch of crap, man. I want to just cut it loose because I'm not using it all. How many squeegees can you use at one time? That's just like owning 5 cars, right? You can't drive them all at the same time, right? You know, but it's like I'd rather be prepared than underprepared. And if I have an arsenal of something to choose from, if I so happen to come across that one window that just is going to be so much of an issue, and I do not want to throw up ladders, I just got to have the right tools, man. That was my mentality for years, you know. So the next person I want to give a shout out to is KD Window. KD in the house. Yeah. And I can't forget my man Jay Lynn. Jay Lynn's not a window cleaner. J-A-L-E-N. Jay Lynn. He's not a window cleaner, but he's a gamer, you know. And I slide through every once in a while. He might not know this, but I do. You know, I comment briefly here and there before. But Jay Lynn's always there, man, because he support other people's channels, man. And that's what it is, man. You know, just because I'm a window cleaner don't mean I can't watch other people's channel and network and get involved, man. Because you see, you can stand and learn something from everybody, even if they ain't in your field. You come across a video and you see something that maybe you never even thought of, or something that maybe you've been wanting to try because they may be talking about a review or some kind. You know what I mean? It doesn't have to be about a certain subject. It could just be anything that maybe you were thinking about in the past, and it may not be relevant to the topic at hand. You know, that's what it's all about, man. The next thing I want to give a shout out to a recent commenter, you know, is Richie. Yeah, Richie Blue from Acme. Yeah, you know, man, Richie, man, I can't figure you out, man. You know, you pop in here and there, but always when you see your name, do you have a goddamn notification bell that rings off when you see or someone types the word maker? Because I just mentioned maker in my video, and you had to actually look for that because it doesn't show up as it's cut off, because you only get a certain amount of words that shows right off the first until you click on it. You know, and I don't know how you found that and how you got notified, but you just gave me the hand sign. I guess it's almost as if to say, yeah, man, I'm watching. Yeah, what you talking about making for? All right, let's see if it's something positive. All right, yeah, it's cool. All right, I'll give you the thumbs up. Nah, I'm just messing with you. But yeah, Richie, what's up, man? But anyways, next I want to talk about is the Window Warrior. Window Warrior. If you haven't had a chance to go check out Window Warrior's forum, he's a window cleaner like myself. He does some high-rise stuff. He has some people working for him and stuff. And he does a lot of reviews on different products and stuff. So go and check him out. I want to give a big ups to them. He comes, by every now and again. Nobody can't stay watching my videos except for Jalen and maybe Louis at times. Louis comes, but he hasn't been around lately since the end of last year. Maybe Louis getting busy, man. He's probably going to be rolling in them bucks in 2021, but yeah, man, I upload like a madman, so I ain't mad at you if you can't keep up with me. Hey, man, I'm sorry, man. I just got a lot to say. And trust me, if you knew the whole part, then you'd be like, God damn, son. I'm telling you, man, I set a record. There's only one guy other than I know of in the history of YouTube that set a record for the most video uploaded in a short amount of time is Scott. I don't know where Scott is to this day or even if he has his channel up anymore. Scott, the window cleaner, he was out of Pennsylvania somewhere, upstate. Scott, man, he was no joke. I forget. Some of you might even remember this guy, man. But you think I upload a lot. This guy, Scott, will put me to shame. He will put me to shame. Yeah, so I know y'all can't keep up, and that's fine. So you just click, you see my notification pop up, based on what the title is, you just click on it. That's all. Whatever strikes your fancy, But my title of my videos don't always match up. So if you don't click on something, you could be missing a whole lot, including a contest, because I'm just that slick. Just when you think you can't get none or I'm doing the same damn thing over and over again, shoot, man, trust me, you got another thing coming, because you be lost in the sauce, man. I do reviews too now. I like toys, and I'm high tech too, baby. I operate by remote now. All my stuff, I'm operating by remote. I'm high tech. How much high tech can you get than that? Y'all still climbing ladders. I'm pressing a button. So now, what? I'm telling you, son, you can't mess with that. So now, I want to give a big ups to, let me see, Mr. Olsen. Yes, I had to remember his name. Kev Olsen. Olsen has been inquiring about that reverse osmosis wagtail, man. I gotta tell you, man, that's a treat to use, man. Ever since I started window cleaning, I never thought I'd be where I am today, man. And I had my family against it. They told me I was spinning my wheels. I need to quit this and get a real job. When you're constantly hearing that, and even the people that you work for, when they telling you that you can't leave and what else are you going to do, and you got people treating you wrong and they don't know your worth. I just decided to make up my mind and realize that this is something that I wanted to do. You think I graduated high school and said I wanted to clean windows when I grow up? I don't think so. My boss is a multi-millionaire from cleaning windows, black-owned company. If he can do it, I can do it. Anybody can do it. The sky's the limit. What's your drive? You feel me? From somebody packing it up and moving to Alaska and become a fisherman, I decided to stay and tough it out. Yeah, that's what I was going to do. Don't knock fishing either. The average fisherman in Alaska makes up to $100,000 a year. So, you know what I mean? It's just that some people don't come back. They fall off the sea and they get eaten by the fish. Yeah, you call that call that irony. You know what I mean? That's real irony. So Next, I want to give a big ups to the window cleaner. Window cleaner, he's another cat. He has a channel. It's called the Window Cleaner. Go check him out. He does a lot of window cleaning and reviews too. And recently, he's been reviewing Sorbo. Sorbo's been talking to him. Sorbo loves talking to window cleaners. And he could be talking to you too, you know? Because he loves talking to window cleaners, man. You know, neither one of us is special. We're not special, but, well, some more special than others. But we're all special in our own unique individual way. You feel me? So no one's special here. I hear some people saying I can't find this tool. I can't get the ultralight 45. And then it's only in the hands of influencers and all this nonsense. You know, don't play a hate, man. It's going to be available. Just keep your panties on, man. Don't get your panties in a bunch. I told you. Go to J. Ray Sistine. He's the only distributor right now that'll be getting them in. If it's not on, if he doesn't have them in, then it's on back order. Then you just have to wait. Place your order now and get it. Or place your order from Sorbo. Tell him I sent you. Go get it, man. It's light. If you like light tools, I'm heavy-handed. You know, so it's a treat to use something light when you're so heavy-handed. You know what I mean? And it's almost like training somebody who's a heavyweight fighter to be a lightweight fighter. You feel me? So it's just muscle memory, baby. It's just muscle memory. You can learn anything. If you limit your own self, oh, this tool is too hard. Yeah, it ain't too hard. No, you too hard. You too hard on yourself. Come on, let up. Let up. Have a little bit more faith in you. You know? Do you really doubt yourself that much to not have faith in your own self? You need more help than you think you do. Trust me. You think you need help with what you're doing now, you need more help than you think you even know. But this is Masters at Wagtail, and I'm out of here, man. I gotta go home and get to sleep, man. Macafracka.